Before we get started on our masterpiece, we want to make sure we get our name and our class code on our paper. So, my name is Kim, and for example, my class code might be 2B. Go ahead and write your name and your class code on your paper. In our art project today, we're going to focus on the shape of a circle. So gather the materials your teacher provided you. Today I'm going to be using watercolor paint, water, a brush, and my paper. So I'm going to pick some colors that I know blend well together because they're near each other on the color wheel. Let's start with a little bit of red. You can move the paint around when you have more water on it. I'm gonna put another red here. I'm just taking the red and just moving it around. Trying to make kind of like a circle, but I know it might not be perfect. What's another color beside red on the color wheel? Orange, good. Let's add some orange. To make your paint watery, you've gotta add water. So right beside this, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of orange to the red. What happens when you put red and orange together? It actually creates another color that is similar to the two. Again, you're just trying to make circles. They don't have to be perfect. But you want to be able to see both colors. All right, let's try something else. Maybe, how about yellow and green? I'm gonna wipe my yellow off a little bit. Let's try yellow and green. Okay, let's see what happens. Got it good and watery. Gonna put some yellow down. How about some more yellow right here? And finally, right here. All right, what was the other color? Oh yeah, green. Let's get some green on my brush. Ooh, I like how they blend together. You can use whatever colors you want to when you make yours. Gonna do a couple more dots. I'm going with blue and purple this time. So here's my blue. The dark blue. Maybe another one here. Ooh. And one more here. If you want it to be a lighter blue, you're gonna add more water to it. All right, and finally, let's get some purple. How do your dots look? I think they're beautiful. I'm gonna clean my brush really good. Tap it out, get the water. I'm just gonna kind of go in my circles and just kind of mix them together a little bit. When I'm going from color to color, I'm actually kind of spreading some of this one into that one a little bit. That's okay. Now I don't mix it around a whole lot. I'm just kind of wiggling it, getting a little wiggle. And when I do that, it adds a little bit of color. Let me zoom in and see if you can see that. Yeah, just a little bit of that color into the next one. So I'm just kind of like making a Z shape or S or 2, just a wiggle. So after these dry, we are going to turn them into something pretty cool using our imagination.